How to transfer your posts to Google Docs on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your notes, your posts to Google Docs on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down, click settings, and you just go down until you find this one here. Transfer a copy of your information and then click next and Google Docs, and here just go to notes and click no one and then next. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.